Deep learning. Deep learning is a subfield of machine learning and artificial intelligence that focuses on training artificial neural networks to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. It's called deep learning because it involves neural networks with many layers. Hence, it's called as deep. Key characteristics. Key characteristics of deep learning. Artificial neural networks, deep architectures featuring learning, backpropagation, and diverse architectures. Classification of deep learning. Deep learning classified into two types: supervised deep learning and unsupervised deep learning. Under supervised deep learning, we have artificial neural network, convolutional neural network, recurrent neural network. And in unsupervised deep learning, self-organizing map, Bartelsman machine, and auto-encoder. Deep learning. Deep learning models are capable to focus on the right features by themselves, requiring little guidance from the programmer. These models also partially solve the dimensionality problem. Deep learning is implemented through neural networks. Motivation behind neural networks is the biological neuron. Neuron, artificial neural network. What is deep learning? A collection of statistical machine learning techniques used to learn features, hierarchies, often based on artificial neural networks. Let's understand with an example. Here it shows steps or progress of project. Deep learning applications. Self-driving cars, voice-controlled assistants, automatic image caption generation, automatic machine translation. And here is another real-time example.